Comprehensive comparison of Leetop, Realtime, and AverMedia carrier boards NVIDIA Jetson Orin AGX modules. In this comparative analysis, we scrutinize three distinct offerings from industry-leading providers, Leetop, Realtime, and AverMedia. Each carrier board boasts unique features tailored to diverse application requirements, ranging from smart security to autonomous mobile robots, AMRs.
Technical specifications is given below.
Comparison of technical specifications. Comparative analysis of all carrier board. Leetop A680 versus A605. Realtime RTSO series. AverMedia D315. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna Tech Biz. Together, stay connected.